Welcome my people to a new AI-made tech reviews video, and in this video I will show you how to easily install a microSD card in your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and how to configure the camera for its first use. This camera is amazing for capturing your adventures, but to take full advantage of all its features, we need a microSD card to store your videos and photos. For this tutorial, we need to have our camera, of course, and a microSD card. I bought mine on Amazon, a SanDisk 128GB Extreme PRO, Class 10 U3 V30 for only €21. This is the one I recommend. The U3 speed class and V30 video speed indicate that the card is capable of supporting high data transfer speeds, which is essential for high-end action cameras like the Osmo Action 5 Pro that records in 4K. To install and configure our memory, these are the steps to follow. Turn off the camera. The first thing we will do is completely turn off our Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. Locate the slot. On the right side of the camera, just below the record button, you will find a small cover where we installed our battery and which covers the micro SD card slot. Open the cover. Carefully use your fingernail or a small object to open this cover. You will see the slot where the micro SD card is inserted. Insert the card. Make sure the micro SD card is oriented correctly with the gold contacts facing inwards. We have, as usual, the small icon that tells us the orientation for installation. Gently insert it into the slot until it clicks into place. Close the cover. Once the card is properly inserted, close the cover firmly to protect it from water and dust. Turn on the camera. Now, turn on your camera and wait for it to recognize the new microSD card. When you turn it on, it will ask you if you want to switch between internal and external storage. Format the card. Before you start recording, it is recommended to format the microSD card from the camera settings. This will optimize performance and ensure longer card life. To format the card, follow these steps. Slide open the control panel. Select Settings. Select Storage. Go back and select Storage. Select Format SD card and slide the card icon from left to right. If you have content within the 47GB internal memory, you will not be able to use the user interface to transfer between one memory and another. And that's it. We have successfully installed the micro SD card in our DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Now you are ready to capture all your adventures in high quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.